This is a 4x6 recipe box. We also offer the same box in 3x5. It's really kind of a unique design. A couple things to know is it's got a little slot in the front that you can put a recipe in while you're cooking. This lid is also the same plexiglass. This comes out, although you probably will never need to have this come out. The reason I've got dividers in here is just to remind myself to tell you that normal dividers will fit, but unfortunately our own custom wood bamboo dividers are just a smidge taller, and because of that, when the plexiglass slides in, they don't fit. So don't order this with the wood ones, unfortunately, but you can order with the paper dividers. Other things to know about this recipe box is, well, it's American made, and it's maple, and it's a nice box.